Greeting bikers. It has been a while. So yes, I think my last riding video was uploaded in September. That was after my trip to Hat Yai, Thailand. Yes, I have not been riding for I think over a month. I just rode my bike like every 1 week or 2 weeks once, just to start up the engine, you know, and bring it to bike wash. So yes, I have to admit that the thought of selling my bike came again, but I think it's just a temporary urge. And yes, after some thinking, I thought I won't be doing it at the moment. Well, I have to admit, you know, all the 2019 bikes are looking very nice and very tempting. But my good old MT-09 is still in a very, very good condition. So today, this is not just a normal boring motor vlog. Today I have a mission, which is I plan to change my clutch cable. Yes, my clutch cable is still working. I don't notice any obvious wear and tear, but it has become very stiff. I did oil the cable once, but that didn't last very long. And my bike is now more than 3 years old, so I think it is fair that I changed the clutch cable. It's not too expensive, but the thing is, the Yamaha original clutch cable stock is quite hard to come by. So yesterday I made a call to my mechanic, and he told me that his workshop has some stock. So quickly I asked him to reserve one for me, and now today I'm going to his workshop to have it changed. Yes, I mean, to some, you may think that it's a waste of money. Why change the clutch cable when it is still working, usable? But I'll say it's for peace of mind lah, so that, you know, I feel safer when I travel. When I go for a long journey ride. Wow, the traffic is breathtaking. I'm not trying to intimidate the motorists, but just to let them know that I'm coming. That's one good thing with a loud pipe. Oh my god. Oh shit. So this is just another morning in Kuala Lumpur. Got to be very, very careful and focused. Okay, just a little bit more and I'll be free from traffic. I must thank the traffic police. If not, the traffic will be worse because no one is giving way to anyone. Whew. The KL traffic is definitely not for faint-hearted. And not for faint-hearted motorcyclists especially. That's why many of my friends who don't have a motorbike license told me that, you know, they would love to ride a motorcycle, but just that looking at the traffic in Kuala Lumpur, it freaks them out. Okay, back to the clutch cable topic. Yes, I just want to have a peace of mind because it's not very expensive. My workshop is charging me 160 ringgit for the new original Yamaha cable and siap pasang, meaning it includes the cost for installation. So after more than 3 years, I think it's fair for me to change that part, just for peace of mind. Okay, till then, I'll talk to you guys when I reach the workshop. So we are here again at the same bike shop that I always frequent. Tak ada orang ah? Bos ada? Hah?
Asing ada.
Asing ah? Okay, okay. Look at the grease. OK， 唔該晒啊！我 transfer 咗，陣間俾你知。啊。 So clutch cable fixed. And I have a bonus today. I got myself a rack for a future top box. This is not some branded stuff, but just aftermarket rack designed for MT-09. No need to drill holes like the GV. That means I can have a more comfortable ride to cross border in future. Just need to get an extra top box. Need to get used to the new clutch. Feels softer now since it's brand new clutch. Yes, I'll be ready to join my friend for the Cameron ride this weekend. Yes, about the rack, it's sort of not to say impulse purchase, but I've been thinking of getting a rack and a top box for my bike, because when I came back from the Hat Yai, I only strapped my dry bag at the pillion seat there, and it took up a lot of space for my seat. So I ended up I have only little space to sit on the bike, and it's not a very pleasant experience. I squeeze my balls and you know. So I believe now with the rack and a top box, maybe a 40-liter top box should be nice enough, not too huge. Will ensure that I have a pleasant ride, more comfortable ride when doing cross border or long journey ride, which I need to spend a night or two. So okay, that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more adventures, and yep, ride safe. Bye.